Can you sing the Israeli alphabet, the Hebrew alphabet?
I can't anymore. Aleph, bet, bet,
Wolf.
Aleph,
Bet, bet, Gimel, Dalet, hey, Gimel, Dalet, hey, Vav, Zayin, Het, Tet, Vav, Zayin, Het, Tet, Lamed, Lamed, Mem, Nun,
Lamed, Mem, Nun.
Yeah, that's all I got. Today on Taste Test, we're taking a trip to Israel and trying some of their most popular snacks. Zach,
Jordan.
have you ever been to Israel?
I
Do
have.
you like Israeli snacks?
Wow, okay. A lot of questions.
Loaded. These
First
are-
question, yes, I've been to Israel.
Okay.
Have you ever been to Israel, Torin?
I have. I'm actually half Israeli and been there about 10 times. So I probably
10
had a lot of these
times?
snacks. Yeah, I
That's
go like
like-
once a year.
I was gonna say, you must go like once a year.
Yep, I'm only 10 years old.
Do you
so-
remember any snacks specifically that stood out to you?
The only thing that really stood out to me, and it might not be a snack, was like falafel. I'm excited to take this journey with you. I'm excited to take this journey with our audience.
I'm excited to go back to the Holy Land.
But before we get started, don't forget to click the bell if you want to be notified and subscribe. So this is like the most classic Israeli snack that exists.
Bamba.
As you know, and a lot of people know, I am obsessed with peanut butter. It's my absolute favorite thing in the whole world, and these are essentially like peanut butter Cheetos.
It's like a cheese doodle, but with peanut butter powder.
It's like a perfect like cheese puff, but
It's
like
like-
peanut butter flavored.
Is that how you pronounce it, Bamba?
Yeah, it's just Bamba.
This would be a real problem for me if I could get this like all the time at like a vending machine in
Totally.
our office, because I would just be eating these constantly.
They melt in your mouth.
Uh-huh, fantastic, great job.
Oh my
I'm
God,
keeping
dude.
these.
This is really one of my favorite snacks.
Of course it's milk.
Have you had this before? So there's
It's
like,
like
a whipped,
chocolate pudding with like whipped cream.
there's like a very whipped topping on top, and then chocolate pudding.
Ooh, the whipped topping is really good.
Has like a hint of coconut.
That's so sweet and yummy. I actually
Oh,
think
yeah.
I like the topping more than the actual pudding.
This is pretty good.
I could eat this whole thing.
You know what we should do? We should crunch up some Bamba and put it in here for like a little bit of a peanut butter kick to it.
Yeah. This is one of the snacks they used to give us all the time at school, and it actually comes in a variety of flavors and shapes.
Yeah.
My favorite was the onion ring.
These, I feel like these are gonna be like a Dorito kind of. Well,
It's similar.
maybe.
It's a very unique shape though. It's like a plus sign with a box around it.
Well,
Those exist.
wow, they're crunchy.
Oh, they're
Get ready
smaller
for the
than I
crunch.
thought. Yeah. Whoa!
I love these.
Almost lost a tooth on that one.
Right? They're like
Yeah.
insanely crunchy. I love
Kind of
these.
interesting.
They're very satisfying.
Feel that.
Is it super heavy?
That has heft.
Oh wow. You could actually lift with this.
That's good. The chocolate's nice.
It doesn't do
No.
much for me.
Do you ever like sit and have tea and like somebody serves these? Like you've been there 10 times. You
I've
must-
been there a lot, and I have a lot of family there, and I've never seen these served. It could be like something that kids eat, though. I'm not really sure.
This
It's
would be
a-
good, you know what?
Yeah.
Dipped in peanut butter.
I was gonna say, yeah. With a little bit of that special whipped cream
Yeah.
from the milky on
Yeah.
top. Yeah. I would dip it in like a coffee too. Like a sweet coffee.
I think it's pretty good. I mean, I'll eat a dozen of them. What does that say?
Where?
This.
Oh, that's in English. That says Pesach Zman.
Okay, English enough.
Milk chocolate bar filled with wafer and hazelnut cream.
Whoa, look at that. That's legit.
Do you smell the hazelnut?
And there's not like a lot of wafer in it. It's just like just enough to give you a little bit of texture.
I am kind of getting it.
It's pretty good.
This is actually delicious.
That's really
It is
delicious.
so good. The chocolate on top is like kind of like truffle-like. You know what I mean? Like it's
Yeah.
like kind of soft.
Yeah.
That was so fun.
That was really fun.
It was great.
I really enjoyed those snacks.
Same. I did too. They really brought me back to
Yeah.
like my childhood.
I was gonna say, what was your favorite?
I don't know. The chocolate ones probably.
The last two.
But I have to say the peanut Cheetos, what are they called?
Bamba.
Bamba. I like Bamba.
What was your favorite? Besides for Bamba, because we have to put Bamba aside.
The Bisley for sure.
I think I liked the pudding the best.
Oh, I forgot.
I wasn't expecting that. That was a throwback.
That was cool.
good.
Yeah, I wouldn't eat that often, but I would eat the Bamba like, that would be my thing.
I think Milky was my favorite.
Really?
I think
Wait,
that-
besides Bamba or?
Besides Bamba,
Okay.
yeah.
So we're just saying it right now. Bamba #1.
Bamba, it's Bamba than the field.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Food Network for more taste tests. Bye-bye.